I think it means getting to be yourself unapologetically, and not really. I mean, it means different things to different people, but I think beauty is that, like, just getting to be your most authentic self, and just finding a place to express that, be in that situation, finding people who can create that space for you, and just being yourself. I think that's beautiful.
I think beauty is just everyone's expression of themselves. The minute it gets imposed or the minute it's like standardized, then it's not beauty to me anymore. Beauty is just an expression of your true self.
Beauty is not specifically for someone. Like, people have that mindset, if you are fair, if you have good features, if you are good looking, then only you can do makeup. Otherwise, makeup, it's not for you. But it is not like that. Makeup is like an art. That's what I think, and it is for everyone. Whoever likes to do that and how they want to do that, it is all about it.
Beauty, according to me, is the twinkle in your eyes, that it reflects how happy you are and how content you are in life.
My definition of beautiful is when you truly feel like happy from the inside,
So beauty to me is being yourself unapologetically, owning your confidence, just being able to not give a fuck about anything in general. Like, whatever you do, people will always have a certain thing to point at. If you're a woman, there is something people will point at you, or you're dressing up in a certain way, or you don't fit in like this, you have to be a certain way. For me, being a guy, being effeminate, it will never fit in. Like, people will always have something to say about, no matter how good you are, So beauty to me is owning that you're not perfect, but it is perfect. Does that make sense?
It's all about the person. It's all about what lies within. And I also believe what lies within will show. It's very apparent on the outside.
My definition of beauty is very unconventional, because you can find beauty in everything, regardless of be it a human, be it an object. What I find beautiful may not be beautiful to you, may not be beautiful third person. What the third person may find beautiful, I may not find it beautiful. So beauty is very subjective, but it's also very unconventional.
Oh, well, I think you just need to feel beautiful. You need to feel that you are the best and you look great. And when you do that, when you feel good and beautiful, I think the entire world seems beautiful to you.
I think it's just, beauty is a vibe for me. It's like feeling happy, normal in your skin, not wanting to apply a face mask because you want to get fairer, not wanting to get a tan every time you come back from a vacation, not having to worry about a tan every time you're on a vacation. Just feel natural in your tan, feel normal, feel happy. That is beauty for me. Like, not having to stress about feeling beautiful, but just feeling beautiful the way your skin is. And that just radiates, every time you come in front of a camera, you're in front of a person, they'll just vibe with you, with your beauty, your mind and your face, because that's what you radiate.
Being a makeup artist and working on so many faces, I've definitely learned with experience over the years that beauty is about enhancing your features and not changing the way you look.
Beauty is definitely really subjective. I think to me it's just about feeling confident in whatever skin you're in, whatever state you're in. Beauty has to be comfort, like whatever that you're comfortable in is beautiful. So whether you like makeup, whether you don't like makeup, or whether you like minimal makeup, anything that you feel comfortable in your skin is beautiful.